Hey guys, in today's video, I will be sharing a new vinyl collection from Teckwrap Craft Vinyl. It is their new cold color changing vinyl collection, and let me tell you, this is my favorite launch by Teckwrap Craft so far. The colors are stunning and perfect for the upcoming summer months. Decaling cups for iced coffee, smoothies, and cold lemonade. I'm going to show you the collection and swatches first, and then a drinking glass project after, so let's get started. You can find the new collection on teckwrapcraft.com by selecting the Craft Vinyl drop-down menu, and then select Color Changing tab. And the new collection is going to be the first one on the page, not to be confused with the clear cold color changing vinyl adhesive. And I'll be sure to leave a direct link to this new collection down in the description box as well. And there are currently 9 colors in this collection, and the only color that I won't be showing you today is the rose pink, and that's because it was sold out for a little while. But I will be demonstrating the color change with the 8 other colors shown here. So these rolls come in 12 inches by 5 feet and 12 inches by 82 feet if you're super serious about your crafting or run a small business. And I will leave my discount code on the screen and down below if you decide you want to try these out. You can save 10% at checkout store-wide, excluding the mystery boxes, which are already heavily discounted. For my drinking glass project, I used the vinyl colors red, green, and yellow and cut out some fruit decals with my CRICUT. I chose a watermelon, strawberry, and lemon slice design on CRICUT Design Space, and I just used the regular vinyl cut setting without any pressure adjustments, and it cut perfectly. The weeding process took about 10 minutes, that's why this portion of the video is sped up, and I had lots of little intricate cuts for like the watermelon and citrus seeds, and it cut and weeded beautifully. I used my Teckwrap pin pen for the weeding process. It's my favorite little tool to weed with, especially when I have little tiny details that I need to weed, and it's just also great for moving pieces or around or readjusting or resticking those tiny details. If you're looking for a full in-depth CRICUT tutorial or beginner tutorials, I do have a CRICUT playlist on my channel, and I have lots of beginner-friendly projects, and I will be adding more full tutorials on that playlist as well. So make sure you are subscribed and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified of new uploads from me. And for this video, I just wanted to introduce the collection to you first. That's why this video is not a full tutorial, but more like a review. After all of my pieces were weeded, I separated them by type or layer with my scissors and made an assembly line for my different groups of fruit and all of their layering pieces. To transfer and apply my pieces, I'm using Teckwrap Craft medium grip transfer tape, and I only used a small square for each glass. I ended up making 4 glasses, so I reused the same 4 pieces of transfer tape. So 1 piece for each glass. And the strawberry and watermelon had 3 parts or layers, almost like an abstract design. And normally I would recommend layering off of the project blank first, but with these kinds of designs, I didn't need to do that and I could layer directly on the glass. The glasses I picked up from Dollar Tree. I like the milk bottle look a lot, and I've also seen them come in different colors. And Dollar Tree's mason jar drinking glasses with the tops and straws make for excellent vinyl craft blanks as well. The color changing vinyl was super easy to apply to the glasses with the transfer tape, and I used both my fingers and a squeegee tool to burnish the vinyl to the glass. I had no issues with the vinyl transferring from the carrier sheet to the glass, and this project went so smoothly because the vinyl was so easy to work with. This vinyl collection again is my favorite so far, not only for the vibrant color change, but also because of the fact that it gave me 0 issues start to finish of my project. I hope you enjoyed this video and new vinyl collection from Teckwrap Craft. Give this video a thumbs up if you did, and links to the collection as well as other products used in this video will be linked down below, also with my discount code. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.